Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can go ahead and buy Amazon Prime membership. So I'm currently on Amazon.com. If I just come here and type /Prime, watch this, okay? I click on enter. Check this out, guys. I get a 30-day free trial of Prime as well. So I can just click on start your 30-day free trial. I'm going to show you how exactly we can buy this Amazon Prime. So you can either use your gift card balance or you can add a payment method right here. There's a bunch of payment methods they accept, and they also go ahead and accept debit, credit cards. Some countries even PayPal. So you come here, just enter your name on your card, right? Your card number, expiration date, and your CVV code. Then you can go ahead and add your card and then make your purchase once you click on continue, okay? And you get your 30-day free trial as well. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.